Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make chicken pasta. So let me show you the ingredients. 1.5 spoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 large onion, 1 bowl of spinach, 2 bell peppers, 500 grams of pasta, and I'm going to use these 7 wine tomatoes and 1 chili to make the paste. 700 grams of boneless chicken. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to boil the pasta. So 2 tablespoons of salt, so you can see the amount I'm putting in. And then I'm going to let the water boil. Now I'm going to add the peppers in. I'm going to add the pasta in now. And just give it a stir. I will cook the pasta anything between 10 and 13 minutes. So between 10 and 13 minutes. I've been cooking the peppers for around 4 minutes now. Now I will add the vinegar. Okay, that's the chicken done, so I'm going to put this to one side. I'm going to check the pasta now. Okay, so it's been cooking for approximately 13 minutes, and that to me looks cooked. So now I will drain it. I'm going to mix the chicken and pasta together now. Okay guys, I've plated the chicken pasta for you and I've grated some nutmeg. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.